division of secret recipe. First is the mission. The mission of secret recipe is to redefine the lifestyle by setting the benchmark in specialty cake, fusion food and service. On the other hand, the secret recipe also combats to produce the high-end standard quality, increase the bean value, enhance to increase the customer satisfaction and serve premium quality products. Okay, next is the vision of secret recipe. The vision of secret recipe strive to success to increase the brand awareness and good brand impression. The secret recipe also strive to control and self-regulate on the food and service quality.
I want to present about the organizational chart for Secret Recipe Company. First of all, the owner of Secret Recipe is Tan Sri Dato Steven Sim. In this organizational chart, Secret Recipe use hierarchy structure which have owner, manager, supervisor, staff which includes cashier, floor and service, barista, kitchen and chef.
The issue related with the secret recipe is the limitation of factory-based supply. Factory-based suppliers enable the product to be delivered to all outfits while maintaining a consistent level of quality. However, when they have outfits in a far place like Sabah and Sarawak, which they cannot really rely on Johor Bahru, a factory to supply the kit, as the quality might drop in delivery. This is because the customer in East Malaysia complain that the kit they buy mostly do not taste as good as a whole in West Malaysia. This is supported by the fact of our secret recipe franchise method, whereas they are having factory based supplies.
I will continue the description of current issue, the limitation of factory-based supply. The cake will be stored in the refrigerator for a long period before being sent to East Malaysia. This makes the quality of goods decrease. To avoid this, franchisor need to open new facilities in remote locations to meet demand and ensure consistent supply. Furthermore, this is an indirect disadvantage of factory-based supply because the more factories a company creates, the more investment that need to be made and the lower the profit margin. This situation will bind the franchisor by limiting investment to another important department such as research and development.
The factory-based supply solution method in their franchise system helps them to keep their product quality consistent, and they're remarkably providing good product all the time throughout the franchise. I think they should hire and train staff offsite before opening the outlet, and perhaps this helps the team to educate this small number of staff more specifically on how to handle a customer. By keeping them on the first priority in each of their services. So when the staff train well, indeed the services they provided is good. Furthermore, Secret Recipe sets a reasonable and affordable price on their product, so customers are not forced to buy the whole cake. They are given flexibility to buy the pieces of it as well, and for sure the Secret Recipe prices is reasonable for every pieces.
Based on the issue that happened in Secret Recipe Company, this company can expand and invest more on the supplier in East Malaysia, either in Sabah or Sarawak. They can build more factories to avoid the supply and demand issues, and this will be benefit to all the Secret Recipe and franchisee in the Sabah and Sarawak, as they can maintain the quality of product, and this will ensure the satisfaction of customer to purchase all Secret Recipes product. And then, to avoid dissatisfaction among customers about the different taste of secret recipe product in West and East Malaysia, they can use the factory base to ensure the method and standard are safe as they share the same waste in the product making.